Hi everyone, my name is Amrita Lopez from India, and I'm really happy to be a part of this Coding Place 2021 journey. My final project extracts the data from the free API, stock APIs that are available online, and it basically performs the data analysis. So I have three modules which I have incorporated into my program: time series data, fundamental data, and also the foreign exchange, which gives and outputs the real-time currency exchange rate on that particular day. So without further ado, let's just dive into my project. Okay, final project.py. So firstly, it gives the list of all the ticker symbol and for the companies which are listed in S&P 500, so that it will be easier for us to see which ticker that we want to for the company. And I want to see the time series data first. So I will type time series space data. Ticker, for example, I want to check the time series intra data for IBM stocks, how they're performing, and on monthly basis. So yes, here it gives me the output of how the IBM stocks are performing on monthly basis. As we can see, it has opened on 145, adjusted close on 145 on 2nd of June. That's of today. So it gives me the latest data. Then I want to check for the fundamental data. That gives you the company overview, what is the balance sheet, what is the income statement, basically to see the proficiency of the particular company. I would want to check for Facebook, so ticker symbol for that is FP, and wish to go for annual, and I would like to see the balance sheet of Facebook, how they're performing annually. Yes, so here we have the balance sheet information of Facebook that was updated on 31st December 2020 last year, and then prior to that is the last year, describing total assets, then total liabilities and their investment, goodwill, and their current stock, and etc. Further, I would want to let's check about the foreign exchange, that I would like to see the real-time currency exchange rate. So I will go for foreign currency. Basically, it outputs two. It describes whether you want to go for physical currency or you want to go for digital currency. So first, I would go for physical currency. I would want to see how much the USD for Indian rupee, 1 USD cost for Indian rupee, and it gives me the real-time exchange rate, currency exchange rate, that is 1 USD costing 72.95 rupees. Let's say I want to go for this time. I would like to go for digital currency, which is a cryptocurrency, and I would want to go from Bitcoin to USD, United States dollar. So it gives me the real-time currency exchange rate from Bitcoin to US, that is United States dollar, is 373999.61. So this is the latest currency exchange rate, which is a real time, that is updated on today, 3rd of June 2021. Okay, so that's about my project. I've basically done this project because my next adventure would be to use the Python programming for investment management and the personal portfolio. And I'm really glad that Stanford has provided this basic foundational background to grow in this knowledge. So thank you, and yeah, bye.